I'm Chris with BestArizonaHome.com, and I'm here with Siderakis with Pinnacle Lending. And today we're going to talk about the DSCR investment loan. Sounds very interesting. Greg, how are you doing?
Good, thanks, Chris.
Good.
Our DSCR program is an investor advantage program. DSCR actually stands for Debt Service Coverage Ratio. I know it's a mouthful. It's a tough one. But essentially, this allows people to buy an investment property with a minimum of 15% down and not even using your income to qualify. So, in qualifying for an investment property, generally it goes through a vigorous process of, determining how much money you make. A lot of people who do their taxes and write them off at the end of the year won't show enough income to qualify to buy a property. This loan is perfect for those kinds of people. So with the DSCR loan, rather than using your current income to qualify, what we actually do is have an appraisal done on the property. And with that appraisal is a rent assessment form. With that rent assessment form, as long as it comes out to enough to cover the vast majority of the mortgage payment, then we're actually able to qualify you just using that, rather than using any of your taxable income to qualify.
So this is a great opportunity for someone looking for an investment property. They don't identify. So on the appraisal, let me ask you this: are there certain things that are other things that may hold up the appraisal? As far as when you compare loans, like we talk about an FHA appraisal or a VA appraisal being picky.
Right.
Is there anything that's kind of picky on a DSCR loan appraisal, or is it kind of just, hey, you can make this amount of rent, you're good to go?
So, of course, with every appraisal, there are things that we want to look out for. We want to make sure the home is in good enough condition to be rented, definitely. If we have, big holes in the ceiling with water leaking through them, I think the appraiser would still have an issue with that.
It would also be kind of tough to get your rent out of that one, probably.
Exactly. So they're not going to be able to complete a rent assessment if the home is not livable, let alone rentable.
Sure. Okay, that makes sense. So, but I find on the somewhere downtown, small one-bedroom studio, I can possibly buy that as an investment property using the DSCR loan, 15% down.
Right.
And you're just gonna kind of base it off of what I can make off rent.
Exactly. They're pretty lenient with it as long as the home is livable. So it's not the same as an FHA loan or a government loans appraisal where they go through things a lot more vigorously and make sure that everything is perfect.
Okay, awesome. Well, sounds like a plan. We'll have to make some investments, huh?
Yeah, exactly.
Okay. Thanks, Ray.
Thank you, Chris. Appreciate it.